Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Bitcoin Daily Update. We are going to see the next price targets, and of course before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Link in the description box and in the comment section. Patreon/Mind Your Crypto, buy me a coffee, or our site billmindyourcrypto.com. You can either join any of these and you will get amazing profits, including automated system with 200 altcoins. You will be able to know actually exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell. You will also get personal guidance every day, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands, market updates, random giveaways, pine scripts for trading view, and many other benefits. Thank you for watching. Here in the snowy Athens right there, that we have some electricity problems, but in overall it's very good to snow, and of course the roads are full covered of snow. It is amazing stuff. Anyway, let's go to Bitcoin right now, and we are seeing Bitcoin collapsing even further down. If I go to the logarithmic scale and we have the gann fan tool, you will notice that from yesterday's update and all the other updates that we had the gann fan. Okay, we draw of course first the Fibonacci, the gann box, okay, to square the chart. If you haven't seen the video, you can watch it out on how to square the chart and to draw the gann fan. But I believe that the 8-1 was around here at the 33,500 to 200, around there. Let's go a little bit. It should be a little bit here. There we go. I think that this was the gann fan we have drawn back into the other days, and you can see that Bitcoin is going further down, maybe approaching the 8-1 in the logarithmic scale support line right here. And of course, it might be dropping furthermore down. On the other hand, if we go to the daily frame, you are seeing that we are having an extreme oversold, extreme bearish market. This is something that we do not see quite often. Okay, so we have already the oversold situation of the RSI below 30, and therefore it drops even more. Nothing is stable for now. On the 4-hour frame, what do we have is continuously bullish RSI divergence. I'm not sure if we are going to keep this one right here, or we are going to drop even more to form a new bullish RSI divergence. Maybe we are going to drop a little bit down to the 33,000, maybe even to the 32.7k. All right, it is a very strong support level area. So we have the 33,000 and the 32.7k as well. Okay, so we have one more right here, support level, which we can go on the short term for Bitcoin. Let me zoom in a little bit so you can see, which we might go in case we do not hold the gann fan line on the 33,500 to 200. So we have this whole area right here as a possible support target for Bitcoin in order to see the swing high. Okay, on the 4-hour frame, we are seeing a further drop down. If we do not form again a bullish RSI divergence right here, then we will be going down. But if we form here a bullish RSI divergence, it is possible on the short term to get a nice swing high towards the upwards. But in overall, Bitcoin is going further down. Next stop will be the 33.5k and the 32.7 around these area. We will have a nice buying entry. I think for me, none of these are financial advice of course, but I think that we will be having a nice, very nice buying entry for Bitcoin and the buying pressure. Okay, so right there we approach these numbers. It is insane how far down have we gone, okay, from the past previous high back on 69k towards the 33.6k. Ethereum against USDT, on the other hand, it is following the Bitcoin's trend, going all the way up lower. Okay, Ethereum against Bitcoin chart is holding a little bit strong. I think we are going to form a bullish RSI divergence right here for Ethereum against Bitcoin chart, and therefore Ethereum will start to outperform Bitcoin. At the same time, Ethereum against USDT, it is going a little bit to drop furthermore down if Bitcoin goes into the low levels of 33.2k to 32.7k as well. All right, so therefore we have this. We can have this potentially. We might be going down to the 33.5k to the 32.7k, but anyway, the 33.5k is a very strong support level area. I think that the gann fan we draw before and in the previous market update was around 33.5k. All right, the gann fan on the logarithmic scale, because if we were to go into the, not the logarithmic scale, but on the regular scale, let's go and see that. Okay, so I'm going to delete this one as well, this price label, and we are going to the regular. We have drawn below right now. We have gone actually below this level. Okay, and I think that the 1-1 in the regular in the logarithmic, the 1-1 line was a little bit further upwards. So there we go. I think we probably have it right now. Okay, because I remember that we have the 33.5k area, maybe a little bit higher. Okay, so here we go. Okay, I think that this was the proper one. So we are going to the 8-1 now. We found buying pressure probably a little bit, but we are going to see if we drop down more. The next topic we are going to drop down more is the 32.7k. Okay, this is a great support level area right here for Bitcoin, but now we are on the lowest of the gann tool right here on the 8-1, squaring the chart from the bottom back on 21st July to the top back on 10 November. Okay, we squared the chart with using the Gunbox 1-to-1 price to bar ratio. I have shown this multiple times. You can check it out whenever you want in the channel. Okay, and if we do not manage to get above this, then we are going down into the 32.7k. Unfortunately for Bitcoin, huge here crash going on, and for Ethereum and for the other altcoins that are bleeding against Ethereum, against Bitcoin, of course, or the altcoins that are not bleeding. Some altcoins pump very quick, for example MCO2 and so on. Many other altcoins have a major pump because the money transfer to these altcoins right there, and we have these huge pumps and then downs. Okay, so anyway, yes, Bitcoin is going further down, and this allows for money transfer into other altcoins that could potentially pump. Next up, the 32.7k. We will soon see the swing high. Do not worry about that. Do not feel that you are the only one now that it is do not feel lonely actually into this crash right there, because you need to be patient. Do not check the charts all the time, and hold your coins, please. Okay, do not sell. I know that this is a very hard time for everybody right here, and I have shown this already with the line break pattern on the candlestick. If we go to the weekly frame, we have seen here 4 candlesticks reds, 4 candlesticks here going into the 5th. Now we already formed the 4th, going into the 5th. Before we saw 4, before we saw again here 4. Okay, 4 candlesticks going down. So the 4 is our number right here, but if we form a 5th, then this will be, I think, that this pattern right here with the 4 red candlesticks on the line break will be over. Okay, but it is possible to form a bullish candlestick. You never know what the price will do. You never know the next targets. Bitcoin could have potentially a crazy swing higher and go even higher, but for the time being, you're seeing that we are in a crazy bearish market right now, that we are going all the way down without stopping. Okay, even though we have an extreme oversold situation, we do not stop, and we go further and further down into minus 26 for RSI, minus let's see the commodity channel index right here, minus 200. It reached even the minus 300 almost. The stochastic RSI as well in an oversold. Everything is in an oversold, and of course on the weekly frame we have an extreme oversold due to the fact that we have the oversold commodity channel index right here. A great time to reaccumulate Bitcoin. It is going all the way down, and I feel like this price action right there won't be it isn't normal, and of course we will be having a very quick swing high going down so fast. Then we are going to have a very quick swing high as well. In the meantime though, we are looking at the 32.7k. If we do not close above, and if we do not manage to maintain the 33.5, then I think the 32.7 is the next stop for Bitcoin. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Links in the description box. You will find all the benefits right there. Join us, you won't regret it. Thank you. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.